2026 is shaping up to be the year of AI, and the people who invest early could see massive returns. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 3 AI stocks that have the potential to explode in 2026. And trust me, the last stock might surprise you, so make sure you watch till the end. First up, we have the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, also known as VOO. This ETF tracks the top 500 companies in the US, including giants like Apple and Microsoft. It's one of the safest and most popular choices for diversification and steady growth over time. Next is the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, or SCHD. If you want passive income, this ETF is a great option. It focuses on high-quality companies that pay strong dividends, meaning you can earn money even while you sleep. Perfect for long-term investors who love consistent returns. Finally, we have the ARK Innovation ARKK. This one is a bit more aggressive, but exciting. It invests in future technologies like AI, robotics, and genomics. If you're looking for high growth potential and can handle some risk, this ETF could be a game changer. So there you have it, powerful ETFs under $100 that every beginner should consider in 2026. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Start small, stay consistent, and let your money grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more smart investing tips.